Watch the video to the end to discover a mystery reward. See the rules in the video description. So, you want to earn passive income? Start a blog, create a YouTube channel, publish a book? If this is not your lifestyle, then better be super patient. But let me ask you if you ever heard of this quote: compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. It's from a good old friend, Albert. So, on which side do you want to be? After you decide, hit the subscribe button below. Thanks. Here are a few ways you can build a passive income through crypto. Please note, investing in crypto is high risk. Invest only what you can afford to lose. With staking, you lock your coins to receive rewards. With lending, you lend your assets to margin traders on the exchange. You get interests. With Masternode, you set aside a certain number of your coins through a network node to participate in maintaining the network and get each block rewards. With yield farming, you earn tokens in exchange for adding liquidity to DeFi applications. With mining, you receive reward tokens for completing blocks of verified transactions, which are added to the blockchain. Interested in more ways? Get involved in the community of crypto enthusiasts. Sign up now to Mycryptoview.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crypto educational animation. Mycryptoview.com.